Okay, so what's going on everybody on YouTube? I'm coming at you guys again with another video, and today I have the Bape and KITH collaboration. So let's go ahead and open up the box here. We have the Bapesta dust bag. The front side says Bapesta. You turn it over to the back and it will say Figesta. These Bapes are in collaboration with Ronnie Fig of KITH. Here I have the white tumbled leather pair in a size 42, which translates to a size 9 in US. Going all around the shoe, it is an all soft tumbled leather. It's a very soft material. Right here on the back it says Bapesta laser imprinted. On the inside we have a leather lining along with a leather insole. The shoes are included with 2 wooden shoe trees, as well as a extra pair of white laces. Here on the right pair we have the Figesta, also embossed on the tongue. Unlike previous pairs of Bapestas, they have like a round print along with the rights reserved and a bit of the stars in the toe box. Here we have just all around stripes. To the side we have the Bape star. The box features a white camo tissue paper. Here we have an extra pair of rope laces. I think I'm going to stick with the regular flat laces that came with the shoes, but these are a nice addition to the shoes in case you want to switch things around. So here's everything that comes displayed in the box. Not too much really to say about everything. It's pretty straightforward. It's just an all white sneaker, soft tumble leather. Right here we'll take a look at the shoe trees. We have a wooden shoe tree with the metal bar. On the left foot here it says Bapesta, and underneath it has 42 of 43. Now I'm not sure if that is pair 42 of 43 made, although I do know that this pair was very limited. Here on the right leg or the right foot we have the Figesta embossing on the shoe tree. Again, very high quality shoe trees along with the numbering 42 of 43. So I got these shoes from Pondon.com, which is normally where I get all of my Bape items from. Pondon is a very reliable source when it comes to buying Bape. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, I've been buying Bape from PondonStore.com. Everything there is brand new and is authentic. Here we're taking a look inside of the dust bag. It's just a very soft cotton dust bag with pull strings, just to keep your shoes safe when you're traveling. It was a very nice detail to add on. So these shoes were released back in September of 2016. These came in a collaboration with another sneaker. It was this pair, the all white tumble leather pair, along with a suede pair, beige. The shoes retailed at $300 and on PondonStore.com I ended up paying $410. If you guys didn't know, when you buy items from PondonStore.com, you can accumulate points. Every 30 points, I believe, is $1 off your next purchase. So in the past couple months, I have been buying a lot of items off PondonStore.com. So I ended up getting about $20 off my next purchase. So I used that $20 upon purchasing these shoes. Once again, I want to thank you guys for tuning into my channel. If you guys want to see more Bape related videos, go ahead and hit subscribe. Bape related content tends to do really well on this channel, and if you've been following the channel for a while now, you guys know that I do tons of Bape product reviews and Bape related content, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.